Today we will start with I ki matra. So last time we did A ki matra. That was like this. But now we have I ki matra. So we have two lines emerging from the same place. Now the words are like this. Look at the picture here and see. B plus A ki matra plus L plus G plus A ki matra plus D plus E. When you join it together, it becomes B, L, Bal, G, Aga, D, E, D. Balgadi is bullock cart. It's used in villages mostly. Then we have the next picture. P plus A plus R. Par means foot. Then come to the next picture of a soldier. S plus A ki matra plus N plus choti ki matra plus K. That is Sainik. Sainik is a soldier. Then come to the next picture. Th plus A ki matra plus L plus A. Thela. Thela means bag. Now let us have a look at the words once again. Balgadi, Par, then Sainik and Thela. So these are the words that we have with A ki matra. Now let us read some more words here one by one. Now see, read the words. P plus A ki matra plus R. Par. Ch plus A ki matra plus N. Chan. B plus A ki matra plus L. Bal. Then M plus A ki matra plus D plus A. Maida. Then go to the next word. K plus A ki matra plus D plus E ki matra. Badi E ki matra. Kaidi. Then go to the next one. T plus A ki matra R. T R tar. N ana. Tarna. Then T plus A ki matra T ata. Y aya. R. Tayyar. Then sh plus A ki matra sh asha. T ata. N. Shaitan. Then P plus A ki matra, then D and L. Paidal. Then we have the last word here. F plus A ki matra L. F al fal. Then N ana. Falna is to spread. Then let us have some more words here. Can you see the picture here? This is a soldier. He is having the flag of a country. This is the flag of India. He is proudly carrying it in his hand. Then here, he is also a soldier. He is paying homage to soldiers. So he is giving respect to the soldiers who must have sacrificed their life for the country. This is about a soldier. So let us read the sentences one by one. Mera देश महान, इस पर अनेक मैदान. मेरा देश महान. महान means great. देश means country. इस पर अनेक मैदान. It has many fields. इसके सैनिक बलवान. Its soldiers are very strong. बलवान is strong, powerful. देश के लिए रहते हर पल तैयार. The soldiers are ready for the sake of the country. Anytime they are ready. हर पल means every time. ऐसा वैसा मत समझना. Don't think that they are very weak or something like that. They are very powerful. देश के लिए ये कर देते अपना शीश बलिदान. For the sake of the country, they sacrifice their lives. Sheesh is actually head. Balidan is to sacrifice, to give the life. So this is about a soldier who is ready to sacrifice his life for the sake of his country. Then we have some words here. We have to choose the A letter words. This is an exercise. I की मात्रा वाले शब्द पहचान कर लिखे. Last time we had A words, we had to choose them, but now here we have I की मात्रा वाले शब्द. You have to choose them and write them down. So you have थैला, खेल, वैसी, रेल, पैदल. Then we have बैट, सेठ, तैयार, सैर and केला. So what we will do is we will choose the A letter words. Now see, thala is having A na, so we will circle it, then we can write it down. Khel is having A ki matra, so we will not choose it. Vaisi is having I. Rail is having A ki matra, so we will not choose it. Then Padal is having I ki matra, so we will choose it. See the two lines which you have up, they are I ki matra. Bat you will write, okay. Set we will not write because it is having A ki matra, not I ki matra. Tayyar you can write, then you have sar you can write, okay. Kela we will not write, it has A ki matra. Now choose the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you will write all these 6 words here. It's better to circle them or put a tick mark. It's easy for you to write later on. So what words you're going to write down? That is, thela is a bag. Then you can write vasi. Then you can write padal. Then you can write bat. Then you can write tayyar. Then you can write sar. Okay, these are the words which you will write down. After doing this on page 43, move to the next page. That is page number 44. So what we have to do here is सही शब्द चुनकर वाक्य पूरे करें. You have the words here and you have to choose the words and write them down. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. तैयारी is to get ready. पैर is foot or feet rather. सैर is walk. सैनिक is soldier and कैदी is a prisoner. Now let us read the sentences. जेल से डैश भाग गए. जेल से कौन भाग गए? कैदी. कैदी you will write here. Prisoner. Okay, we will write कैदी भाग गए. Put number 1 here. Then second sentence, सुबह सुबह हमें डैश करनी चाहिए. सुबह सुबह हमें क्या करनी चाहिए? सैर करनी चाहिए. Put number 2 on सैर. You can write सैर here down. Under the line you should write. Hindi is always written under the line. Then third, हमें बड़ों के डैश छूने चाहिए. हमें बड़ों के पैर. We should touch the feet of elders. 3. रघु बाजार जाने की डैश कर ले. Get ready to go to the market. Raghu is the name of a boy. Raghu बाजार is market. जाने की तैयारी कर ले. Then we have the last sentence. डैश का जीवन देश पर मिटने के लिए है. सैनिक. A soldier's life is always ready for the sake of the country. डैश का जीवन, सैनिक का जीवन देश पर मिटने के लिए है. He sacrifices his life for the sake of his country. Then you have the last exercise. चित्र के सही नाम पर गोला बनाएं. See the pictures here. In whatever words are here, you have to put a circle around the correct option for it. Now see here you have, this is a bull. So here is the word nauka. Nauka means boat and here it is bal. So bal is the correct option. So we'll put a circle here around bal because this is bal. Okay, this is a bull. So we'll put a circle around the bal. Then second picture is, this is shaitan and this is mela. So what is the correct option? This is shaitan. So we'll circle shaitan. Have a look at the person here. He is shaitan. Now third, this is a rupee. Sorry, not rupee, it's a coin. So you have here neta, then you have here paisa. So this is paisa, 1 rupee coin. So you will write paisa here. You will not write neta, means a leader or a politician. So you will not write neta, but you will circle the word, you will circle paisa. Okay, so that is all for this exercise, and just practice these words with a ki, not a, I ki matra will practice, and you will differentiate between A and I. Read the words, practice lot of reading. So that is all for this class. Revise, practice a lot to read, and try to write also. Thank you.